Resolving a frozen Venmo account typically involves contacting Venmo support and addressing the issue causing the freeze. Here are steps to potentially unfreeze your account. Review transaction activity. Check for any suspicious or unusual transactions that might have triggered the freeze. This could include large or unusual transfers, violating Venmo's terms, or receiving payments for prohibited activities. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support via the app or website. Explain the situation clearly, mentioning that your account is frozen and inquire about the reason behind it. Provide documentation. If requested by Venmo, be prepared to provide additional information or documentation to verify your identity or explain specific transactions. This might include a photo ID, proof of address, or explanations for certain transactions. Follow instructions. Venmo's support team will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve the issue. Follow their instructions promptly and accurately. Be patient. Resolving account freezes might take time as Venmo reviews the information provided and investigates the issue. Prevent future issues. After resolving the freeze, ensure compliance with Venmo's terms of service and avoid activities that might trigger another freeze.